In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify store on Zendrop. Let's start this journey by understanding that in the evolving world of e-commerce, flexibility is key. There might come a time when you find yourself in need of changing your Shopify store connected to Zendrop, whether it's for branding purposes, targeting a new demographic, or simply giving your online presence a fresh look. Whatever the reason, I'll guide you through this process step by step, ensuring it's as smooth and hassle-free as possible. First off, ensure you're logged out of your Shopify store. For this, head over to Shopify's official website. Once there, you'll notice a login button on the upper right corner of the web page. Click on it. It's your gateway to accessing your Shopify account where all the magic happens. After clicking login, you'll be prompted to enter your store's credentials. This is a crucial step as entering the correct details will securely navigate you into your Shopify dashboard, the control room for your online store. In case you're logging in through email, make sure to click on Continue with Email after you've typed in your details. Once inside, Shopify greets you with its intuitive dashboard, where you can oversee all facets of your online store. Here, your immediate task is to navigate to My Store, which is typically found on the dashboard. Spot the settings icon, usually represented with a gear symbol. Clicking on this will unfold various settings options available for your store's customization. Within the settings menu, find and select Apps and Sales Channels. This option ushers you into a realm where Shopify amplifies your store's functionality through third-party apps and services integration. Your next step is to locate the Shopify App Store by clicking on Shopify App Store. Think of it as your treasure chest for all the tools you'll need to escalate your e-commerce game. In the Shopify App Store's search bar, type in Zendrop. This action will filter out Zendrop from a sea of apps available. Proceed to click on the Zendrop app from the search results. It's a crucial step because Zendrop is about to become an integral part of your store's operational backbone, especially if dropshipping is a key component of your business model. Upon finding Zendrop, you'll see an Install button. This is where you officially begin the transition by allowing Zendrop access to your Shopify store. Click Install to integrate Zendrop into your Shopify environment. A follow-up to this action is yet another install confirmation which solidifies your choice and moves you closer to the goal. Shopify then leads you to a critical part of this entire process, the approval of the subscription. By selecting Approve Subscription, you agree to Zendrop's terms, paving the way for a successful integration. This part is where Shopify asks for a confirmation on recurring charges associated with using Zendrop. To complete this process, Shopify will prompt you to choose a payment method. This step is straightforward yet important, as it ensures the seamless billing for Zendrop services. Select your preferred payment method, fill in the necessary details, and voila, you're almost at the finish line. Once the payment method is chosen and confirmed, you've successfully changed your Shopify store on Zendrop. It's a significant step towards adapting and evolving in the e-commerce sphere. Remember, the world of online business is ever changing, and staying agile is key to success. A couple of pro tips to wrap this up. Firstly, always ensure that the email address associated with your Shopify store is active and accessible. This way you won't miss out on any crucial communication. Secondly, before making any significant changes like this, it's wise to back up any important data related to your store. This precautionary step ensures you can restore your store to a previous state in case of any discrepancies. There you have it. A comprehensive guide on changing your Shopify store on Zendrop. Whether you're striving to capture a broader audience or simply aiming for a revamp, remember, the success of your e-commerce venture lies in continuous improvement and adaptation. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep growing. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to guiding you through more tips and tricks to optimize your e-commerce journey. Stay tuned for more tutorials like this one, and here's to your success in the dynamic world of online business.